This is a skid mounted oil water separator with the flame proof electrical equipments. And the flame proof electrical panel. This is the testing setup of oil water separator. These are the two tanks, oil storage tanks, one for the dirty oil and one for the clean oil. And this is the separator skid where we are going to test it for NAS and for ppm. This is the control panel which will show us the flow rate of the separator and the temperature of the oil. Now we are going to start the suction of the oil with the heaters so that we can attain the temperature of 65 degrees. Now we have achieved 65 degrees of temperature. Now we are going to mix the dry dust into the clean oil so that we can attain ISO 21/18, and then we need to achieve ISO 15/12 in single pass with this separator. Initial oil sample should have ISO 21/18. So now we are going to mix dust particle into the clean oil. Now oil is getting mixed with dust particles. After mixing 250 grams of dust in the clean oil, now we are taking the initial sample. Now we are switching on the separator and the suction. After switching on the separator, now oil is passing from one tank to another tank and will achieve the ISO results in single pass. After the removal of all the particles from the oil, we are taking the final sample to achieve nice NAS 15/12. Now this is the second stage of testing. We are going to add 1.5 liters of water into the oil so that we can make 15,000 ppm and we can achieve 500 ppm in single pass. Now we are taking the initial sample of oil mixed with water. Now we have started separator to remove water from the oil, and now the water has started coming out of it. Now we can take the oil sample after single pass. Water is continuously coming out of the separator and oil is getting clean. Now we are taking the final sample of oil after removal of all the water. all the samples are collected. Now we are going to send these samples to lab for lab testing.